Hey my beautiful Sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is August Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today I am going to be giving y'all the details all about Miss GiGi, and she is from Sensational. She is an instant fashion wig, and you can style her in under 5 minutes or less. It says 60 seconds, but it just depends on how you want this hairstyle to be. And she is heat safe up to 350 degrees, and she is 100% premium fiber. And this is how she is looking on the stock card. And she does come in other colors as well. And y'all, she has a really good yucky texture, which is good. And when I was combing through her, she did not shed as much, and that is another plus for me. Instead of just going with the bangs in the front, I didn't like the way the bangs looked on me, so I just swooped her to the side and just stuck some bobby pins in there, and I just styled her like that. She is a very full wig, as y'all can see. She is a little comfortable on my head. She's not fitting too snug. She has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, and she has adjustable straps. This is how she is looking on the side. This how she's looking in the back. This how I got her on the other side. And y'all, I am feeling Miss GiGi. I really do like her. I like the curls. I did comb her out to get my curls to look like this. That's the only thing I did was comb her out. And I am feeling her. She is very beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about laying any lace. You don't have to worry about plucking any parts. You just put her on and you style her how you want. And boom, you got a big hair, don't care, beautiful big curls. And that's what I like. And this is a very great style for the winter time. And I will link all the information in the description box below where I got her from. And that is really it for this video. And let me know if y'all have ever bought Miss GiGi before, or if y'all seen her around on YouTube anywhere. You know, just let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about her? Would you like this style? Do you like this curls and all that other good stuff? And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all. Hey, my beautiful...